तो स्टार्ट हो चुका है चैप्टर 36। चैप्टर 35 तक हम एक बंदे से लड़ रहे थे, रिंगो रोड अगेन, जो एकदम ऐसे, हाँ ये यही बंदा बुरा टाइप का विलन नहीं था, ये वामू टाइप का अच्छा विलन था। कैन रिवाइंड 6 seconds इन टाइम। रिंगो रोड अगेंस्ट रिस्ट वॉच इज जस्ट अ फिजिकल मैनिफेस्टेशन फॉर हिज साइकोलॉजिकल स्विच। अच्छा, तो बंदे को उसकी वॉच की जरूरत भी नहीं थी, उसने बस अपने मन में लिमिटेशन डाल रखी थी। नाइस नाइस। मैं वही सोच रहा था कि ऐसे किसी और की एबिलिटी तो ऐसे नहीं होती कि किसी को बॉडी का कोई पार्ट छूना अपना तभी होगा। 20th डे ऑफ 4 stage, a full day until Kansas City. The goal, 2 hours until the sunset. Data, stage running distance about 1250 किलोमीटर। अ फुल डे अंटिल कैंसस सिटी तो 1250 किलो, अच्छा टोटल था। नंबर ऑफ रेसर्स 1918, रेसर्स विड्रॉन फ्रॉम द रेस 825। तो इसी स्टेज के अंदर 825 लोग ऑलरेडी निकल चुके हैं। करेंटली रैंक फर्स्ट डिएगो ब्रांडो, तो सबसे आगे अभी डिएगो ब्रांडो चल रहा है। तो ये जो जा रहे हैं, ये स्प्रे किया किससे, क्या जॉनी को हील करने के लिए? तो जॉनी को हील कर दिया स्प्रे से। और ये जो बुलेट है ये निकल के गिर गई या उसके अंदर लगी रही? तो मेरे हिसाब से तो निकल गई। और ये बंदा जो है लेटा पड़ा है हॉट पैंट्स। तो एक सेकेंड, जायरो, अच्छा उसके हाथ से क्लिक करवाया इसलिए मुझे लगा उसने उसकी स्टैंडेबिलिटी कैसे यूज कर ली। ठीक है, तो ये अंदर देख रहे हैं, अंदर क्या था? अंदर तो कुछ ऐसे खास था नहीं। Hey, is your head feeling all right? Listen, I think I just came up with something, an original gag. But listen up, I'm only going to do it once, so pay attention. Only once, all right? Look at my fingers. How many am I holding up? 4. Excuse me, let me pass. 0. यार मेरा एक्सेंट इटालियन है या रशियन है, मुझे समझ नहीं आया, मैं जो अभी इसके लिए कर रहा था जारो के लिए। एंड दैट वाज द गैग, व्हाट डू यू थिंक? ये तो रशियन लग रहा है, एक सेकंड में अब तक इटालियन समझ के इसको रशियन एक्सेंट दे रहा था क्या? शिट। इट वाज प्रीटी गुड। इट्स प्रीटी हिलेरियस एक्चुअली। क्या ऐसे ओके बनाना? 0। क्यों? राइट, इट गेट्स फनियर विद टाइम। डोंट जस्ट टेक माय आइडिया जस्ट बिकॉज यू लाइक इट। मिस्टर हॉर्सी, लेट मी पास। जॉनी, ऑल राइट, लेट्स गेट गोइंग। आई स्प्रेड हॉट पैंट्स वुंड्स टू बिफोर ही कुड वेक अप। साला मैं अब तक इसको रशियन एक्सेंट दे रहा था, अब मैं कंटिन्यू करूंगा रशियन एक्सेंट के साथ, कोई कुछ नहीं कहेगा, मुझे लगा मैं इटालियन दे रहा हूँ। He was a terrifying enemy. I wonder if all the others we are going to encounter are going to be like him. Probably chilling, huh? But it's not like we can quit the race now. But you weren't going to quit anyway, right? Even if we did throw the race, you'd still be chased by government for the rest of your life. Like you said, I don't have any intention of dropping the race. Actually, I feel emboldened. Yeah, I don't know why, but I feel the same. Let's go to Kansas City in the lead. Also, the identity of this corpse. Who is this saint? We need to get some information from the Vatican. Whoa, this guy, he says a lot of stuff. Let's take all of his roast beef sandwiches. If we eat all of them, that would mean that he'll have no more evidence left to sentence us to hang. सही बात है। और maybe we can just eat the meat and leave the bread to piss him off, huh? No. Is he still alive? हैं? इसके, ओ ये लड़की है। Shit. What hot pants? No way. Hurry, Johnny. In points, that cream guy is still front of us. Well, that's a surprise, but I guess it doesn't matter. He know. Hot pants, no matter who he might be, he has nothing to do with us. और ये भाग भाग के आगे आ रहे रेत से, बलून्स दिख रहे हैं। Being seen isn't an issue. But being followed by those balloons is a problem. Let's move through trees. Also, when you talk, cover your mouth with your hand. Like this. With your hand. But why? It's lip reading. Don't let them read our conversation from the sky. It's what they teach us in the army. It's not anything special really, but those that are up there are sure to have been trained in it. Steel is definitely working with the government. Hey look, Poco Loco's here. Sandman's coming too. Looks like we are somewhere towards the lead. तो पोको लोको और सैंडमैन साथ ही में रहते क्या हमेशा? Hey Sandman, we need to ask you something. Who's in the lead right now? Have you seen Dio? Hey, looking as good as usual. Come on, tell us. We want to know what's going on right now. Is Dio your only rival? Well, no matter. I saw Dio's tracks this morning. He's about an hour ahead of us, as you predicted. He's in the lead and he took the route with fewer rivers. An hour? We still have a day left. We can catch up to him. And one other thing, a storm is going to hit tomorrow. The last stretch of the race is going to be difficult. In the first stage, I was awarded the victory instead of you. That's why I'm telling you this. Now we don't owe each other anything. Hmm. It's a clear sky, but we can trust what Sandman says. So Dio is an hour ahead of us, and it's going to be a storm and not just rain. Well, that means that traveling by horse is going to be nearly impossible in tomorrow's weather. Looks like a change of plans, Johnny. It's almost dark, but let's move our horses as far away as we can. If there's going to be a storm tomorrow, that will be better for our horses. Then we'll wait for the storm to quiet down at a good spot and head straight for the goal. This place with Turbo. We can go here after we finish the race, and then we'll secretly retrieve the corpse path. You okay with that? No, that's a gyro. We can't do that. Sandman said that Dio took the route with the least amount of rivers. The northern route. The northern route doesn't have any tributaries of the Mississippi River. That means Dio is heading to the northern part of Kansas. He is heading towards it. Dio knows where the turbo is, due to his left eye. He plans to get the corpse part before he finishes the race. Also damn it, I just remembered. Inside Ringo's cabin there was a bird cage. I thought there was something weird. There was an empty bird cage. Yeah, I know. So what are you trying to say? It would have been fine if there was a bird in there. But I didn't realize. It was empty. There weren't any birds in there. So that means that the government is on to us? Ringo already sent the information about Turbo with a carrier pigeon even before we came. I wouldn't put it past him. How fast do pigeons fly? I have no idea where he sent it, but it's much faster than a horse. Much fast. Gyro, I'm going to run through the storm. It might already be too late, but we have to get there before we get to the goal. I have 2 or 3 questions to ask about these hot air balloons. Can it fly upward? No, it can only adjust directions depending on the wind. How long can it stay in the air? As long as the balloon has gas in it. It can stay in the air as long as needed, but realistically speaking, it uses a lot more gas going up and down. So it usually comes back to land by dusk. How many are currently being flown in the race area? About 36. That is during the good weather. Then this is my final question. Despite having so many of them on the lookout, why am I getting reports that Johnny Joestar and Gyro Zeppeli are missing? And why does this always happen? And why have they not found the pigeon that Ringo sent him from his orchard? हाँ, तो इनके पास अब तक वो कबूतर आया नहीं है. Ringo's pigeon aside, it is impossible to track 2 people from the air at all times. That might be, but these are pretty details. These are just petty details. But I can be sensitive to these details. This is a personal hypothesis, but I believe it is because Steele is not willing to cooperate. अच्छा तो अब ये लोग शक कर रहे हैं स्टील पे कि स्टील ने फर्दर जो इंस्ट्रक्शंस दिए ना लोगों को अपने, और उसने ऐसे नहीं दिए कि इनका पीछा अच्छे से करते रहो. Perhaps he's trying to interfere? Those hot air balloons are his property after all. You think that the promoter is double crossing us? Impossible. Even if that was true, Steele would have nothing to gain. He has no motive. That's right. Normally promoters seek wealth and fame, but there's something different about him. He has passion, something akin to a child's dream, petty idealism, especially after Monument Valley. That might not be his intention now, but I have a feeling that he will betray us. I wonder. I wonder which. I feel like he's not necessary to the race, but at the same time, he might still be useful to me. Stephen Steele has charisma. The media, middle class, volunteer workers. He has many followers. If he disappears, the race will be plunged into confusion. Yes, I see. Let's hold that thought for now. But once he stops being of any use, we must ask him to take his leave. We must find the next corpse part that is located somewhere here in Kansas. According to Joseph of Arimathea's map, his backbone is here somewhere. The central part of the human body, the most important part. As long as we have it, the other parts will come on their own. The next corpse part is the spine. We must retrieve it. We must call the stand users to this town. तो अब ये स्टैंड यूजर्स को कैंसस में बुलाएंगे. मैडम, मिसेस स्टील मैडम, आर यू लिसनिंग टू मी मिसेस स्टील? In 2 to 3 days, the participants of this race are going to flood into this city. I have mountains of work, and yet you still requested for a tutor, and I agreed to it. I'm busy too, and what is this now? You haven't paid attention to what I've been saying at all, just looking out the window. The fact that I've been learning lip reading from you. Have you told anyone about it? हाँ? ओ तो लिप रीडिंग सीख रही है. इसलिए दूर से उनकी बातें समझ रही. You haven't told anyone, right? Right? No one knows about, right? Yes, of course. That was what we promised. All right. Well, I'm quitting studying. None of this makes any sense. I don't get it at all. I am falling asleep already. I have no knack for it. He's probably going to yell at me for being too unfocused. Here's your money. Now go home, please. ये रो रही है. रोने लगी. Lucy, as long as you're here beside me, I'm content with leading an ordinary life. I don't need anything else. Well, I guess it makes me a little happy to see my names in the papers, even if those papers are going to be in the trash by the next morning. It can just be in the bottom corner, in tiny letters, produced by Stephen Steele. That's fine with me. Just for that, I'll pull out my whole heart and soul into the race. Sorry, I'll put my whole and soul into the race. He's going to be killed. My husband was just used. When they don't need him anymore, they're going to dispose of him. और ये कबूतर आ गए, ये रिंगो के कबूतर. हाँ, मैसेज लेके आए हैं उन लोगों के पास. And why have you not found that pigeon that Ringo sent from his orchard? ये गई वहां पे. Of course, I'm well aware. I know this building is government property. All I need you to do is give me my husband his lunch. All I need you to do is give my husband his lunch. He forgot to take it this morning. You know who my husband is, right? Stephen Steele. Please give it to him right away. It would be pointless to give it to him after lunchtime. तो अभी जासूसी कर रही है ताकि अपने पति को बचा. मुझे यार ये अपीयरेंस में उन्हीं लोगों की तरह लगती थी. मुझे लगता था पहले ये उन्हीं में से एक है जो प्रेसिडेंट वाले लोग हैं. ये ऊपर गई छुप के और इसने लॉक निकाल लिया और ये छत पे गई और इसने कबूतर के मैसेज देखे. इट शुड बी कमिंग सून. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन डू यू थिंक इट इज? देयर इज एविडेंस दैट रिंग को सेंड हिज पिजन हियर. तो ये लोग ऑलरेडी आ रहे हैं. अब इसको छुपना पड़ेगा. व्हाट? देयर इज समथिंग रॉन्ग. दिस डोर इज ओपन. व्हेन आई चेक द पिजन हाउस दिस मॉर्निंग आई क्लोज्ड इट. डिड एनीवन एल्स कम हियर? अब इसने कबूतर ले लिया और दरवाजा बंद कर दिया। और ये जो लोग आए, टक टक, हाँ, ये नीचे छुप गई। लेकिन इसके पैर तो दिख रहे हैं। अच्छा, इधर से हमें दिख रहे हैं, इन लोगों को नहीं दिखेंगे। तो वो अच्छे से छुप गई। सो इज द पिजन हियर? लग तो नहीं रहा कि इधर होगा। तो ये बंदी छुपी हुई है। ये जो है, ये पैनल नीचे वाले का कंटिन्यूएशन है, ठीक है? तो फिल इन द गैप्स कर लेना अपने मन में। तो ये छुपी हुई है और ये देख रही है पिजन को। आई एम सॉरी, आई डोंट सी अ पिजन कैरिंग अ मैसेज। इट सीम्स एज इफ इट हैजंट अराइव्ड येट। और इसने वो मैसेज खोल दिया। और व्हाट डू यू थिंक? दे से दैट pigeons that can fly 200 kilometers 2000 kilometers in one day. Even if it can't fly that fast, our pigeon should have arrived this morning. And the information was important enough that Ringo would send it before he died. Something of that much urgency. What do you think it could be? I'm so sorry, I have no idea myself. It can't be. It can be its location. The location of the corpse part seems to be indicated within these numbers. तो पता लग गया। मतलब एटलीस्ट इनको तो। मिस्टर प्रेसिडेंट, वेट अ मोमेंट। देयर इज समथिंग रॉन्ग विद द पिजन हाउस। देयर इज समथिंग अमिस। आई एम सो सॉरी। I said that the pigeon hadn't arrived yet, but let me correct myself. There's one that has arrived. There is one more than there was this morning. It looks like Ringo sent two pigeons. One with the message attached to its foot, and another that he didn't have time to. Two pigeons. What do you mean? Why would one arrive and the other not arrive? This is getting order and order. This lock. There are signs that someone broke in and tried to fix it again. Hmm? So what are you trying to say, Blackmore? Is it that someone came to the rooftop and ripped this door open? That door over there was also open. But I can't imagine who, for what reason. Who would do something like this here in Kansas City? I'm so sorry, Mr. President. It seems as if both pigeons have arrived. There are footprints in front of the cage. Two footprints wet from rain. And this pigeon's wings are still damp. The pigeon arrived just a few moments ago. अरे यार, तो अब इनको पता तो लग ही जाएगा कि यहीं कहीं छुपा है। वाह, इसने पिजन ने आवाज, बंक उड़ के गया, ये नोटिस कर लेगा। आर यू श्योर अबाउट दिस? बट आई स्टिल डोंट अंडरस्टैंड। आर यू सेइंग दैट समवन वाज जस्ट हियर दैट जस्ट टोल्ड द पिजन विद द मैसेज? हु वुड डू सच अ थिंग? इसने नोटिस कर लिया। ओह माय गॉड, अब इसके पास और कोई चॉइस नहीं, इसको पिजन छोड़ना पड़ेगा। आह, क्लैक क्लैक। ये अंदर देखने वाला है और ये देख रहा है और इसका हाथ आ रहा है। अबे इतना सस्पेंस क्या बना रहे हो? ये क्या हुआ? एक नीचे से उड़ के ऊपर आ गया इसके देखने से पहले। हाश, इसके पास अभी मैसेज है। इट्स द पिजन विद द मैसेज। व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? कैच इट इमीडिएटली, ब्लैकमो। यस, आई एम सॉरी। आई विल गो आफ्टर इट राइट अवे, मिस्टर प्रेसिडेंट। और ये ब्लैकमोर जा रहा है उसके पिजन के पास। है, ये उड़ रहा है। ये हवा में उड़ रहा है। कैसे? अच्छा, इसके पास भी स्टैंड है, तो ये अपना स्टैंड यूज करके हवा में उड़ रहा है। जिस हिसाब से, मतलब देख के तो लग रहा है कि जैसे ये बारिश की बूंदों के ऊपर चल रहा है। हम्म। इसने नीचे देखा और नीचे, फाइनली नीचे देखा और नीचे कोई नहीं है। तो कहाँ गए वो इतनी देर में? तो ये पिजन का पीछा कर रहा है। पॉप पॉप पॉप। हाँ, इसको गोलियां लग गई। ये क्या है? नीचे गया और उस पिजन को दांतों से पकड़ लिया। एक सेकेंड, गोलियां लगी या इसने खुद ही खुद को ऐसे कर दिया, खोल दिया? ओके, तो इसने अपनी स्टैंड को यूज करके अपना फ्लैश नीचे भेजा पिजन के ऊपर और पिजन को पकड़ लिया और खुद को कम करके पिजन के ऊपर कर दिया ताकि पिजन को पकड़ सके। तो जितना भी पार्ट इसका गायब हुआ उतना ही एग्जैक्ट पार्ट नीचे गया पिजन को पकड़ने। और फिर इसने पिजन का मैसेज लिया, इट्स एम्प्टी मिस्टर प्रेसिडेंट, देयर इज नो मैसेज इनसाइड द कैप्सूल, इट्स आई एम सॉरी इट्स एम्प्टी। हम्म कोई चला गया क्या इतनी सी देर में? वो चली गई यहाँ से? हम्म अरे बटन मिल गया। इट्स द कैप टू द कैप्सूल ऑन दिस पिजन्स लेग। Someone was just here. They took the message. Just now. Who could it have been? This person already knew about Ringo's pigeon and the existence of the message. और ये नीचे जा रही सीढ़ी उतर के, this floor, check this. No one's come downstairs yet. ओ अभी चेक कर रहे हैं। This is an emergency. Someone has invaded the building. Close this building down. Close it down completely. Also, if you find the intruder, I give you the permission to shoot. उसको उसके गीले पैर दिख गए नीचे आते हुए। आई रिपीट, आई गिव यू परमिशन टू शूट द इंट्रूडर। और ये लोग आ रहे हैं इसके पास, ऑलमोस्ट इसके पास आ चुके हैं। रेज सिक्योरिटी लेवल्स टू मैक्सिमम, डोंट लेट एनीवन लीव दिस बिल्डिंग। ड्रिप ड्रिप ड्रिप। द halls are unusually loud today. What's going on? What's all this noise? The contents of Ringo Road Against message. It was unmistakably the location of the next corpse part. But what's going on? There's an invisible enemy. Besides Jairo Jepli and Johnny Joestar inside this building. अब यार ये पकड़ी जाएगी ये तो स्ट्रेस बहुत हो जाता है ऐसे, फिर ना चैप्टर छोड़े नहीं जाते ऐसे, जैसे सोचते हैं ना कि कल पढ़ लूंगा, वो नहीं होता। अब लगता है कि अभी पढ़ो, जानो क्यों क्या हुआ उस बंदी का।